Section 3.3, Example 2. There are 7 teachers and 3 administrators at a conference. Find the probability of 3 different door prizes being awarded to teachers only. 3 different door prizes. So in this question, order does matter. So this is a permutation question. Probability is our favorable outcomes divided by our total. Looking at our total outcomes, there are 7 teachers, 3 administrators. There are 10 people in total. So of those 10 people, we are looking for the number of ways to award 3 different prizes. We are looking for the probability, though, of those 3 prizes being awarded to teachers only. As we can see in the question, we are told there are 7 teachers. So of those 7 teachers, we're looking for the number of ways to award those 3 prizes. Plugging this into our calculator, 7p3, there are 210 ways. 10p3 is 720. And for probability, there are a number of ways we can write the final answer of probability. We can write this fraction in lowest terms, 7 over 24. We can write it as a decimal, 0.29, 166, etc. Or we can write it as a percentage, 29.2%.